Hello, today's May 17th. We are going to do some math review. Tomorrow is going to be your iReady math diagnostic number 3. You're going to do the iReady diagnostic this week, so there's going to be no iReady homework. All right, so you don't have to do iReady at home this week, so that's good. All right, take out a piece of paper, and we're going to do 8 problems. When you're ready, unpause the video, and then you can see the answers. Okay, how would you find the area of this parallelogram? Describe your strategy. Okay, after you're done, unpause the video and then you can see the answer. All right, well, you can count the units along the base and the units of the height, multiply the base and the height to find the area. That's one way. And then we also had students that said you can cut this out and then put it over here. And then you can find the area, which is correct. So what's the area of this? 42 square units. Okay, so you can do that. So here you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 times 6 is 42. That's one way you can do that. Okay, number 2. A rectangular prism is 3 units high, 2 units wide, and 5 units long. What's its surface area? Explain or show your reasoning. So when you're ready, unpause the video. Okay, remember, this is where you have to multiply and then multiply by 2 because there's 2 sides. 3 times 2, 2 times 5, 5 times 3, and then times 2 again because there's 2 sides, and then you add it up, 62 square units. All right, how'd you do? Pretty good? All right. This could be on the diagnostic, so that's why we're going over some of these problems. A recipe for orange water says mix 3 teaspoons yellow water with 1 teaspoon red water. For this recipe, 3 to 1. So that's for one batch. How would you write it for 2 batches? 62. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. How about a four batches? Pause the video. 12 to 4. Okay. Then how can we say that these two of these three ratios are equivalent? How do we know that? How can we explain that? Well, one way is that when I cross multiply any two of these ratios, they will have equal values. Meaning that if I have 6 to 2 here, then 12 to 4 here, I can cross multiply. 6 times 4 and 2 times 12 is the same, right? They equal 24. So any of those would work. Okay, number 4. Andre ran 2 kilometers in 15 minutes and Jada ran 3. Both ran at a constant speed. Did they run at the same rate? Explain or show your reasoning. So think about it. When you're ready, unpause the video. All right, they did not run at the same rate because 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. 20 divided by 3 is 6.6. So 7.5 minutes per kilometer. 6.6 minutes per kilometer. Who ran faster? All right, Jada ran faster. Okay, 6.6 is faster. Right, 7.5 is slower. So don't let your brain fool you just in case you thought it was Andre that ran faster. Andre ran slower. All right. Number 5. Sparkling water cost $1.69. This week they're on sale for 4 for $5. You bought one last week for $1.69. You bought one this week. Did you pay more or less, and how much more or less? So think about it. You paid less because 5 divided by 4 is 125. All right. How much less? 44 cents less. All right. Pretty good. Number 6. A penguin walks 10 feet in 6 seconds. At this speed, how far does a penguin walk in 45 seconds? This is one of those where you should make a double number line or a table. That would help you. Okay, when you're ready, unpause the video and see the answer. So it would take 75 feet. Okay, how about 45 feet? 27 seconds. So how'd you do? Pretty good? All right. Just remember, when you have these type of problems, a double number line or a table really helps. Number 7, draw these two diagrams and then make one where it represents 5 times x equals 15, and then do another one where 5 plus y. All right. So how would you do that? 5 times x. So that's 3, right? 5 times 3. So we can do 1, 2, 3, and then these are x's. Because x is 3, right? Like that. X is 3. And then another one would be 5 plus y. So this would be 5. And then this would be y. What would y equal here? 10, huh? 5 plus 10 is 15. Okay. So something like that. Pretty good? Okay, last one. True or false? Mark each of the following as true or false and explain how you know. -5 is less than 3. -5 is greater than 3. The absolute value of -5 is less than 3. And the absolute value of -5 is greater than 3. So write down true or false and explain how you know. Okay, when you're ready, unpause the video so you can see the answer. True, -5 is to the left of 3 on the number line. So that's true. -5 is less. False, number 5 is not greater because -5 is to the left of 3 on the number line. False, the absolute value of -5 is 5. 5 is greater than 3. And the true, absolute value of -5 is 5. 5 is greater than 3. All right? Okay, cool. So when you're done with this, submit it right here. Let's see. Right over here. May 17th, Zoom math review. Okay. And then when you're done with that, I'd like you to go to your lesson 14 practice problems. Even if you weren't here, go to this. And then I want you to see, I wrote in the comments how you did on your first diagnostic and your second diagnostic in math. I wrote down like what grade level you were in and then the score. Take a look at it and see how much you went up or how much down you went. And then I want you to write back in the comments what you want your goal to be this third diagnostic, because this third diagnostic is going to help you for next year to place you in the correct electives that you're going to do. All right, because we're going to go back to regular school, and depending on how well you do, some of you are going to do some electives, and some of you might have to do some review math. All right, so it's important that this week, you try to do well in your diagnostic. So I want you to have a goal. What's your goal going to be? Do you want your goal to be like 500, 450 points? What grade level? Fifth, sixth? Okay, how well you want to do. All right, so make sure you do that too. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good Monday, and let's be ready for tomorrow. All right, talk to you later. Bye.